So, good morning, my friends. So, I'm making a summary of that my previous class. That is, I was going to teach. I already taught that the reciprocal equation. So, reciprocal equations. So, we'll make a summary notes too because this is a tutorial class. So, we'll solve the problems. So, what is happening? The fx is a polynomial. It's equal to zero. This is a polynomial, and this equation is a reciprocal equation. So if it is a reciprocal equation, what is the property? Property is that the fx can be written as that actually for n, it is a n of the f of 1 by x, or is equal to actually for n minus f of 1 by x. If it is written that, this is called the reciprocal equations. Okay. So how will you know it? So that the coefficient, if you see the coefficient from the first beginnings at the last, it will be equal. So the property is that, so if the fx is equal to a0 actually for n plus a1 actually for n minus 1 plus dot 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 an minus 1 x plus an. This is my polynomials. So this is the polynomial equations. So first property is coming that the type 1 is that a0 is equal to a1 is equal to an minus 1 dot 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 like this. Type 2 is that a0 is equal to minus n, a1 is equal to minus n minus 1. So this is numerically the same, but that sign is different. Now, when you solve the problems, that polynomials equations fx can be that either the odd degree or even degree, odd degree and even degree. So, what you can see, if it is a word, then first type, or is this word the second type? So first you see that the polynomials fx is equal to 0. It is having that odd degree polynomials. So the type 1 means that is a x equal to minus 1 will be the root. If the type 2, so x is equal to 1 will be the root. Now it is coming this odd degree. So now next is coming the even degree. If the even degree polynomials. If the type 2 means that is the middle terms will be the 0, and this is the x square minus 1 will be the factor. That means x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 will be the root. And if it is a type 1, then what will happen? If it is a type 1, then you see with type 1, it is even number, then you rearrange and try to reduce the equations. Take that x plus 1 by x is equal to some y, or x minus 1 by x is equal to y. So this is that your concept of that your type 1, type 2 and so on. So we'll be solving these problems, and we'll see this. What is this? Last class I was discussing some problems and theory as well as that your solutions. So today we'll follow that the theory and the properties, and only today we'll solve the problems. So thank you. Let's my friends, we'll start that solving the problem.